Hello, great people. This is Danielle Pierce, co-founder of Mindset to Money. Our mission at Mindset to Money is to help individuals achieve financial autonomy in 5 years or less, regardless of your current starting financial position. So we do that by providing live trainings, master classes, and programs from the very best experts across a variety of different industries. And these programs are designed to help folks walk through the 6 stages of what we call the money cycle. Those stages are survival mode. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Financial stability, financial flexibility, financial independence, financial autonomy, and legacy. All right. So speaking of those 6 stages, I wanted to let you guys know about what's happening inside of Property Preservation Mastery. So PPM can be ideal for those that are in stages 2 or 3. Notice I didn't say stage 1 because in survival mode, obviously, it's not the best idea to be launching a preservation business or really any type of business for that matter. But back to what I want to talk to you about today is over the next 90 days, starting today, I'll be talking about all things property preservation. So I've done this before in the past with free challenges, which if you missed those are so great. And everybody always asks when we're doing the next one. And I don't have a date for that yet, but I think over the course of the next 90 days, you'll be able to get a lot of insight and get a lot of questions answered just by, tuning into our free Facebook group. So that Facebook group is Real Estate Profit Lab with Danielle Pierce. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, I thought Real Estate Profit Lab, had gone away or something. It hasn't gone away. It's actually under the umbrella of Mindset to Money. But Facebook is doing what Facebook always does. In groups with over 10,000 people, you cannot change the name of the group. So it is Real Estate Profit Lab with Danielle Pierce. So that's where I'll be doing the bulk of it'll be a post, a video, or an article about property preservation. So it'll happen primarily inside of that group. So what I'd like for you guys to do today is obviously join the group, and I'll provide a link to that down in the comment section. So real quick, I want to talk about the purpose of the group because me and this group have had a tumultuous relationship over the last several years, but we're all good now. The group is not a group to convince you to do preservation or anything else. If you want someone to kind of talk you into it and kind of sweeten it up and make it look like there is no issues and everything's perfect, this is not the group for that. That's actually never been the purpose of the group. All right, so that's number one. Number two, it's not a group to get free help with launching and scaling. So again, we have a ton of free resources through the YouTube channel, through the podcast, which is at propertypreservationpodcast.com, and also through LinkedIn articles as well that I've written over the past, couple of years. You can go find those. And of course, I'll drop free content inside of the group as well. But if you're someone who got started and you're like a third of the way, half of the way, 80% of the way, and you kind of got stuck with a few things, or you just have a few quick questions, this is not going to be the place for you to join. I'm not saying you have to pay for the class. You don't have to do anything, but I just want to make it clear that the group is not the spot for you to kind of, get help the rest of the way through the journey, right? There's Google and there's YouTube for that. All right. The group is going to be a place primarily for those people to learn about pitfalls, issues, concerns, student success stories, student failure stories, and an occasional random topic like, I don't know, it could be relationships, dating in 2022, the best dating app, kids, family, stuff like that. So that's primarily the purpose of the group. And that's the community that we're fostering and that we're working to build over the next, couple of months. So if that sounds like something you'd like to get more information about or be a part of, again, please do join the group. So what I'd like to, and then I forgot to mention today's post, because again, we're starting this today. I dropped a post in the group about 5 pitfalls to watch out for when launching your business. Most of the questions that we get are some that come in are a version of, worst case scenario. So like, what if this happens? What if I can't find contractors? What if there's no work available? What if I, can't meet the deadline? So I'm going to address those types of questions first. So again, today's topic was 5 pitfalls to watch out for when launching your business. So I want to close by requesting you guys to do 2 things. Number 1, join the Facebook group. That link again will be in the description box and in the comment section. And number 2, complete our readiness assessment. It's just a way for you to get some quick information about the industry, kind of see if it's a fit for you and what you're looking for in terms of your financial goals and your lifestyle. And so that's all I have for you today. So again, please do go ahead and join us inside of the group. And I look forward to talking with you guys more over the course of the next 3 months. Bye for now.